We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at studio apartment number 208. This is an apartment on the second floor of this 5-floor building. You can see as we go in, the kitchen area is to the right. To the left, there are 2 doors. The first door is the bathroom. The second door is the closet. So you can see in the kitchen, it's the galley style setup that we have in most of our apartments. The refrigerator, here's the sink, the microwave, the stove and oven. There's assorted cupboards and drawers in here in the kitchen. Let's take a peek in the bathroom behind us. I like this bathroom. I like the counter behind the toilet. It's great extra storage space in here. As with all of our bathrooms, you'll have the vanity, the toilet, the shower, and the medicine cabinet. We'll pass by the closet and then go into the main part. So it's just a regular closet. There's a quick peek. All right, so into the room. We have the same furnishings that you'll see in all of our apartments. Full-size bed. There's a bookshelf. This apartment has 1 large window. That's specific to the second floor, 1 window for this apartment. There's an air conditioner, desk and chair, dresser, there's a dining table and chair. So again, we're on the second floor of this 5-floor building. We're facing west, but we're in the center of Collegetown. So you really just see buildings outside of our window here. It is still nice and bright though. We still get a lot of natural light here in the apartment. All right, let's take one more look around here in the main part of the apartment. There's a lot of floor space in this apartment. There are some good options for arranging your furniture. This is just one sample setup. You certainly can move the items around however you like. So this is Collegetown Court, number 208, a second floor studio apartment at this building. We're located just 1 block to campus.